This is the second video for understanding chemical formulas. Now we're going to talk about brackets in a chemical formula. Brackets typically mean that we're talking about a group of atoms that are acting as one unit, like a dozen of eggs, for example, or a bag of chips. So whatever's inside the brackets, that's our grouping of atoms. So we can see here we have PO4. So we have one phosphorus and four oxygens acting together as a group. And that grouping is actually called phosphate. You can see it over here. Oxygen, phosphorus with two more other oxygens. So we have four oxygens and one phosphorus together making PO4. Now in the formula, if there's a number written to the bottom right outside, and I could emphasize outside the brackets, that means there's a certain number of that grouping of atoms. So here we have PO4, phosphate, but there's a 2 on the outside of the bracket. So we have 2 of those, and you can see there's 1 there, and there's 1 there. And this is Ca3PO4 brackets 2. So we have 3 calciums, 1, 2, 3. We have 2 of these phosphates because of the 2 out there, there, and there's your formula. Now we can look at FeOH2. You can pause the video at this point and guess and figure out how many OH groupings we actually have in this formula. If you guessed 2, we have 2 OHs, then you're correct. You can also pause the video now again. Figure out how many oxygens and hydrogens we actually have in this formula. And what you should have found is, well, there's Fe, there's an unwritten 1 there, so we have 1 iron. We have OHs, okay? These 2 hydrogens should not be there, so that the molecule actually looks like that. So we've got 2 OHs. There's 1 OH there, there's another OH there. Notice we have 1, 2 hydrogens, so everything inside the brackets gets multiplied by the number that's on the outside. So 2 times hydrogen gives us 2 hydrogens, and 2 times the oxygen gives us the 2 oxygens.